Welcome to this introduction of chartIT, a software solution that enables efficient charting of softball games and bullpen practices. chartIT consists of an app to chart your game or bullpen practice coupled with a secure server for reporting via a web browser. chartIT is new to the market in 2021, which creates a brand new opportunity for softball coaches, athletes, or parents at any level of softball to use this exciting new product. chartIT utilizes a tenancy functionality, meaning you can have one login, but operate within multiple tenancies or teams, thereby enabling users to share data into the appropriate team and therefore with the correct coaches or players. Database allows you to have teams and players preloaded. Adding teams or players on the go is as simple as clicking the plus button on the corresponding side. Players can be linked to multiple teams, which could be helpful if they play in multiple age grades at travel ball level, or if they transfer between programs at high school or college level. Game entry facilitates users to chart softball games into the chartIT app, removing the paper process and speeding up post-game analysis. Setting your lineups is as simple as selecting the correct team from the drop-down menu and then populating team lists accordingly. These two lineups are almost completed, but I can demonstrate adding the last few players to showcase how easy it is. Hitting order alterations can be dragged and dropped to correct their position right up until the batter has their first at-bat. Defensive repositions work in the same manner with the drag and drop functionality, but this time creates a defensive swap. Substitutions are just as simple to make by utilizing the arrow buttons at the end of each line. chartIT was intentionally designed to be user-friendly with a beautiful layout. For this reason, chartIT is only available on tablets, but is available in both the Apple and Android stores. This decision to use a large screen is appreciated once you reach the pitch entry screen. Recording pitches is simple and requires a minimum of 4 touches. Pitch type, location in the strike zone, pitch outcome, and the save button. This enables users to enter a pitch with plenty of time to spare. Pitch types are customizable per pitcher. Changing a pitch type shown to yes means this pitch type will now show up on the left-hand side. If a pitch is hit fair or foul, the ball in play screen will become live and enable a user to enter the information for the spray chart. Confirmation of runner movement is completed on the third screen, followed by the save button, and you are ready for the next pitch. Your runner is shown on base below. A handy rewind button exists in case of a mistake, or perhaps an unexpected call. Our toggle view button means you can choose whether you enter pitches from a catcher's perspective or from a pitcher's perspective. Once a game is completed, it is simple to end the game, confirm this, and then sync the game through to our secure server to enable the data to pull through into the reporting. The majority of the aspects you enter in game entry will be filterable, from pitch type to pitch outcome to hitter versus pitcher matchups, searching based on count, when runners are stealing bases, The options and combinations are almost endless. Last, but certainly not least in the app, is our bullpen module. This allows pitching practices to be charted. There are 7 variations that can be selected from. These range from free pitching, blocks of each pitch, repetitive sequences, simulating at-bats, quality reps, practicing specific counts, and the randomizer. Each practice allows the user to chart the location in the strike zone, whether the pitcher hits or misses their intended spot, and whether the pitch is a strike or a ball. In this scenario, we have set up the practice and we're up to a rise ball inside for a chase pitch. Let's say the pitcher throws it in this location, we consider that a hit spot even though it's a ball, and we're ready for the next pitch. The results table enables the pitcher to track their progress through each practice, giving instant feedback. Once you have completed this, save the bullpen and sync this through to our reporting server in the same way as a game. This concludes the demonstration of chartIT app. Be sure to watch the next video that dives into the reporting functionalities of chartIT via your preferred web browser.